Hello smart investors, it's me again Victoria Chinzuru. If you've always wanted to invest in Blossom Garden Estate while it was still selling for 10 million naira, then this video is for you. As your trusted realtor here in Enugu State, my job is to bring to you the best and juiciest real estate deals in this city. So as you know, Blossom Garden Estate is officially selling for 15 million naira per plot, and you can get it at a discount of 12 to 13 million naira if you're able to negotiate with whomever you're buying from. But because I want my client and you to win, I have negotiated a special discount for you. Like, it's going to be excellent and massive. This is a promo just for you. So now here is where the juicy offer comes in. I have up to 30 plots of land going for a promo price of just 10 million naira as we speak, all prices inclusive. And this is for the first 20 investors who act fast, who call me right now on the number that is displayed on this screen. Yes, you heard me right. 10 million naira, all prices inclusive, for the first 20 investors who go ahead and call me right now to secure their plots in Blossom Garden Estate. Right here are the allocation papers for our clients, my clients who invested back in August when the prices were still selling for 10 million naira per plot. Now, it took a month to get these documents ready, okay? We also have the deed of assignment and the power of attorney that is all set as well. Now, this could be you. This is one of the best reasons why you should invest with us today. What makes this deal even better is that you actually get to see your plot. We are working on putting the beacons on ground, and we will soon be conducting a physical allocation. So you get to stand on your land and see your property proper. You get to see your land physically. This is something Enugu State Housing wouldn't be doing anytime soon. That's why we are coming in to help you. Another good thing about this property you're buying from me today is that it's on a tabled land. Unlike most of the properties in this location, you get a tabled land, perfect for building a duplex, a bungalow, a terrace building, and what you want to build on it. It is also close to major landmarks like the Enugulands Expressway, and is also close to Winners Estate, Legacy Estate, Conquest Estate. It is very close to Transekulu. You also have the advantage of choosing strategic plots as an early investor. This is going to give you advantage over every other person that is going to be buying later on. You get to choose your plots that are close to access road, because the plots we are selling is from 360 to 660. Okay, now they have up to 3,000 plots in Blossom Garden, but you're buying plots that are very close to everything that is happening in Transekulu and in Blossom Garden right now. The possibilities for growth and development in this location are endless, because once the roads are fully constructed, we will also begin perimeter fencing and gating of our plots as well, adding even more value to this estate. In the next 3 to 5 years, this estate could be the next Gulf Annex, Gulf Estate. We have WTC Estate or Diamond Estate, which was developed by Enugu State Housing Corporation. And it also has an amazing potential for growth and value in the next 3 to 5 years. Now, as a smart investor, you need to take advantage of the opportunity that offers maximum returns for you. So if you're thinking about the future, imagine the profits you'll be making when the value of properties here skyrockets in the next 3 to 5 years. It's going to be amazing. And if you have the capacity, I highly recommend that you buy or purchase more than one plot. You won't regret it at all. It's very necessary for you. Now, this estate is a prime investment for your future. So make sure you don't miss out on this, because by the end of this year, the price will be jumping from 20 million naira to 25 million naira, all right, before the end of this year. Just think about it. Think about the financial freedom that this could bring you. Think about the return on investment you'll be making within a short period of time. I mean, why leave your money in the bank? Why you can actually invest it in Blossom Garden Estate and make returns on investment within a short period of time. It's going to be amazing and massive. Now, not only this estate is going to come with a lot of amazing features. This is going to be a mini community. So everything that is going to be going on here is going to be amazing. They'll have shopping malls, plazas, hospitals, and so much more. So why don't you take advantage of this opportunity and come in right now? Do not wait. I'm going to make sure you secure the best deal in Enugu State. Be one of the first 20 investors to knock on the promo price of 10 million naira for Blossom Garden Estate. Trust me, this is an opportunity you cannot afford to lose. Okay, you cannot afford to miss this amazing opportunity. Let me get you started on your journey to massive profit. Thank you very much for staying here with me to the end. I am so happy and excited to be sharing this amazing offer with you, and I cannot wait for you to be the next investor that is going to take advantage of this promo price. Happy investing and see you on the next one. Bye.